Alright, here's an update for you. I've made some changes to the wind turbine. I've turned it into a 6-blader. I've finished the hub. If you saw my last video, I was working on a hub and I've set up a welding jig to make these, and it works really, really well. I'm very, very happy with it so far. And I've also added a little bracket to the back of each blade. If you look at the blades right now, you'll see a little gap in between. You can always look a little closer later, and plus I have a little clip coming up here, but I've added a little rigidity to the back of each blade, so I've got 6 blades. It starts up much faster, and in addition, you can see there I've added a larger tail and a second beam holding it on. The little furling mechanism that I've put together, I've welded a second bracket to hold that beam onto it, and I'll definitely do that on the barebones unit coming up. I haven't forgotten about that, but I am glad I went through and put this thing up and gave it a test, because I feel that that is definitely necessary. I haven't seen it furl yet, but I really haven't pushed the limits on it under load, so it has seen a few strong gusts here, but I haven't. It seemed like it wanted to furl for a moment there, but didn't. Part of the problem is what you're seeing here. That roof line there goes north-south, and that wind is coming perpendicular across that house, so it's got to go. The wind's got to go through a neighborhood, hit those trees, roll over the house. So this wind turbine, unfortunately, in this location, is never going to see a straight line wind. So it needs to work one way or another. So anyway, here's that new thinking I'm talking about. It's a bracket, that aluminum bracket that I've tweaked a little bit on that end, and I've tweaked it on the other end. It's not shown in that video there, but that holds a little rigidity, it gives a little support to the back side of the blade. So I've got steel in the front for tensile strength. I've got that bracket for compression strength, and then I've got this hub that I've been working on, and you'll see the jig that I welded it up in over there that I made an index. I had my last video about that, and then I just show you the welds there. I've got a MIG wire sculpture, which is just the way. I'll come up with a better way of doing that, but I wanted to get it up in the wind, and the hub is in fact working pretty well. Here's some output results for you. I know you guys want to watch this. On the left is battery voltage. It's a large deep cycle battery, kind of an older used one, but it's what I have. And then it just has a single blocking diode, no charge controller. This is only on here for a very short time, so it doesn't stay like this. And then I'm just pushing more voltage into the battery. You can see the battery voltage climbing there, and there it hits almost 10 amps. And then on this next video coming up, you'll see I hit just a shade over 11 amps there, which I'm pretty excited about. That's pretty good for these homemade turbines that I've been making. And there you also got a fleeting glance of how I've got the turbine straddling a lilac bush. Kind of looks better. It looks like it's kind of popping up out of the top of the lilac bush. But anyway, this little update, I just wanted to show you something. I've been working on this thing on and off, and just wanted to get you guys caught up on it. I apologize. Sometimes these videos aren't really well planned out, and I'm just I've got a bunch of video clips and I'm just talking over it here, so I'm trying to, if it sounds a little out of sequence, that's why. But beyond that, I just want to say I enjoy watching all of your videos. I'm encouraged by your projects, whether they're stoves or wind turbines, and if you comment, if you're watching this and you comment, there's a lot of guys who comment all the time. I definitely appreciate that. I'm watching all your everything you do, but I've been gotten a lot of more subscribers now, and I'd like to see who's watching this. So if you leave a comment, then I can check your channel and see what you're about, and that's what the part I really enjoy about this whole building turbines and stoves and all of that sort of work. So please do leave a comment so I can at least see who you are, and check out your channel. So beyond that, if you have any questions or concerns, just go ahead and let me know, and I'm just going to leave it at that. So thanks for watching, and until next time.